One of the key things I learned from Bill LIPSHUTZ was if traders would learn to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they would make more money. That's been my hardest thing to learn, and I've learned that the hard way. Most of the mistakes I made were outside of my trading time. So taking trades, building up accounts, trading larger and larger, and scalping in those gap times, and getting trapped in consolidated markets where the algos move it both ways, or you're getting dragged slowly in one direction. And again, I talk about how certain price behaviors at certain times defy your technical analysis logic, which means that you're trading with what you perceive to be a trend, and the market continues to drag against you because the market isn't actually following your technical indicators. It's doing exactly that. They're eating back into positions that are open and profit in the market, and they do it slowly and grind. It's a fade, and they just keep eating into your positions, which is why traders will fight the trend and fight the tape and continue to grow their loss, average into a loser, all of those things. So I talk about the timing window because I want to wait. The majority of the time, I'm quite willing to wait until it gets to a previous day's high or low, or we have a two peak formations inside, and the market revisits that, because that's my highest probability area to actually see a trade set up. Everything else inside is 50-50. So Bill LIPSHUTZ talks about this. If traders would learn to just sit on their hands, they would make more money. So when you get these trades at the high or the low of the day, and they're reversals or whatever that setup may be, they don't sit around for long. They move, and they move fast. So that trade on gold on Friday night, not even a big move. It went more than 75 pips, but that 75 pips was over in 8 minutes. No stress, no heat. Those are the trades that I want to trade. And the longer that I've traded, the more lessons I've learned is that those are the only trades I want to trade, is when the market has set a high and a low, and it's got order flow built up for a move back through that. So I've had to learn to sit on my hands the hard way, and I'm just reinforcing that over and over. One person made a comment the other day. He just repeats the same things every video. He's been doing that for years, and I still don't understand. Why would I not repeat the same things? The market's doing the same thing over and over again. If you want something new, then maybe you're at the wrong place. But I keep saying the same things because it's the same thing over and over again. Wait, let the market set up, know what your best trade setups are, only trade those setups, and don't do anything else. And if you have to keep hearing that, that means you haven't learned the lesson yet that the market is trying to teach you. So I had to learn that the hard way. And if you're still visiting my channel, that means you're still learning the hard way. So listen to what I'm saying. Build your playbook, best trade setups, learn to sit on your hands and only trade those, and watch how your trading can change. Simple as that. Buy low, sell high, lock in profits, manage your risk, and keep it simple. Don't make it complicated. Don't try to read every move in the market. Let the other people do that. I want to make money, and the less I do and the more I just stick to the basic setups, the better I do. Those are scalable. We talked about level 3. We talked about the 3-day setups, all those things. It's as simple and complicated as you want to make it. I went in circles for years, beat my head against the wall, blew out accounts, sat in the corner and cried. Knew it could be done, and still refused to actually do what I was supposed to do, which was just stick to my best trading setups, execute my plan, cut my losses, let my winners run, make sure I take money off the table, shut it down, walk away, come back and do it again next session or next day. So keep it as simple and complicated as you want, traders. Learn to sit on your hands and wait for the best trade setups, high and low of the day, high and low of the week, and may the markets go with you. Have a great day.